Good afternoon, students. I'm your English teacher. My name is Dinesh, and we are going to learn a very basic thing in English language, that is parts of speech, right? There are 8 parts of speech actually in English language. Before learn about the parts of speech, we have to just know about what are these, why we are going to learn these parts of speech, right? What are their role in the language? So these are the basics of the language. If we do not know the meaning of parts of speech, if we do not know the role of parts of speech, then we will not be able to command our English language. So English is the international language, we can say, or we can see right now, or nowadays English is an international language, right? If we know the English, then we will be able to feel the confident in our life, or confidence in our life, right? So let's start with the parts of speech. The first one would be noun, then pronoun, then adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. If we know these 8 parts of speech in detail, then we will be able to grab the English language easily. I can assure about this, that we will be able to do it. All right. So the first one is noun. What is noun? Anyone? You must have heard about this word earlier, right? In your previous classes, maybe? Okay. Let me tell you. Noun is the naming word actually. Naming word means what are the things in the world, what are the things around us. These all are noun because these are having some name. Correct? Okay. So this laptop is noun. I am holding a pen. This is also the noun. Okay. So I am also the noun because I do have some name. Correct? You are also the noun, bacha. You all have some name, right? So all are the things around us, your book, your pen, your notebook, your drawing box, and all. These are the nouns. Alright. So second is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun. Those words we use in place of noun, these are pronoun. I am repeating again. Those words we use in place of noun, these are the pronoun. We can use in place of laptop. What is the word? It. Okay, it. That's great. Okay. What I can use in place of my name? Suppose that I say Dinesh is running. I can also say he is running. So I am using he in place of Dinesh. So Dinesh was noun, right? Because this is a name. So naming words are noun. Okay. So I am using he in place of Dinesh. So I am using he in place of noun. So he would be pronoun. He would be pronoun. Okay, got it. Let me take you another example. Sonu was running. So Sonu is the name. I can also use she in place of Sonu. Can I? Okay, that's good. She would be pronoun. Got it? So he, she, it, her, him, these are the words we use in place of noun and we call them pronoun. Alright. So next one, and very interesting, that is adjective. That is adjective. Adjective are qualifies the noun or tells us more about noun. Let me take you, or let me explain you with an example. Sonu is beautiful. If I say Sonu is beautiful, So I am saying Sonu is beautiful. So Sonu is the noun. The beautiful is the word telling us more about the Sonu. Sonu, how Sonu is? Sonu is beautiful. The beautiful would be adjective. Got it? Let me explain you with another example. Sonu is tall. Sonu is, how Sonu is? Sonu is tall. I am just like telling you more about the Sonu. So tall is the word telling you more about the Sonu. How Sonu is? Sonu is tall. Correct? So tall, these type of words we consider as a adjective. Okay. Next one would be verb. Verb is the word, or we can say verb shows action of noun. I took an example earlier. Dinesh is running. What Dinesh is doing? Dinesh is running. So Dinesh is noun. So what noun is doing? Noun is running. So Dinesh is running. So running would be verb. Whatever the action doing by the noun or pronoun, these are the verb. Simple. Okay. Got it. Good going. Next one would be adverb. Okay. So adverb. If we are adding something on the verb, adverb, adjective, that would be adverb. Let me take you the previous example. Sonu is beautiful. Sonu is beautiful, that's fine. But if I say Sonu is very beautiful, so I am adding very before beautiful. So how much extent Sonu is beautiful? Sonu is very beautiful. The word very is qualifying the adjective. Adjective is beautiful. Whatever the words qualifies adjective, verb or adverb itself, that would be adverb. So very would be adverb. So I can also say Sonu is very tall. So very would be adverb. Correct? Okay. Let me take you another the noun done, pronoun done, adjective, adverb, and verb done. Next one is preposition. Preposition we use to describe relationship between noun or pronoun. These can be on, behind, thorough, through, beneath. These are the prepositions. We will this is the topic we need to emphasize on it particularly, so we will learn it in the next lecture. Okay, so the next one would be conjunction. Conjunctions are the word we can simply say conjunction is used to join two sentences or clauses together. So conjunctions are for, and, nor, but. This is the term we call it fanboys. You must have heard about it, right? These are the coordinating conjunction, and another type of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. We will also learn this topic in the next lecture. Then last one is interjection. What is interjection? Interjection actually used to express our feelings. Suppose that we are sitting in the cricket match. We are sitting on the seat and we are watching the cricket match on the ground. Okay, so if Dhoni lofted a 6, what I say? What a shot! What a shot! I am expressing my feelings, the feeling of happiness, right? These type of sentences are called interjection. Correct? All 8 parts of speech are done. Hope you have must enjoy this class or this session. All right, we will gonna have more fun in the next lecture. Okay, tada, bye bye, stay safe. Thank you.